Hello and welcome to my video. Today I just wanted to show you a couple or a few of my aircraft models. They are pre-assembled. To the left here is the first Tomcat model that I bought. I bought this one sometime in early or mid 2000. It is from Dragon Wings, 1.1 to 72 in scale. It is made out of metal. However, if we scrutinize the aircraft further, you can see here it has suffered extensive surface damage to it. You can see all the splotches here, and these splotches are not caused by high level of humidity. They are not caused by high level of humidity. Neither were they caused by water sprinkling on them. These were not caused by water. What I suspect is that these were caused by diesel fume that somehow in the 2000 for about 7 years more or less, my bedroom had been heavily and regularly polluted by diesel fume. And back then I stored these aircraft, 3 of them, deep inside my bedroom, which is far away from any chance of getting sprinkled by water whatsoever. Back then sometimes I could smell smoke when I woke up, not knowing where the smell of smoke came from. I suspect it is coming from nearby, probably my next door neighbor. Well, anyway, because this Tomcat has extensive surface damage to it, I decided to buy another Tomcat. And this one in identical scale 1 to 72 is from Easy Model, and it is much cheaper than the one I bought in early 2000, which is made out of metal. This one from Easy Model is made out of plastic, but it is highly detailed with very good finishing quality for the price. I bought this for 329,000 IDR, or around $25. And for that price, I'm pretty impressed by what I'm getting. Both of these Tomcats have identical markings. They are exactly the same aircraft. You see, this one has the fuselage number 200, and this one also has the fuselage number 200. They are exactly the same. Anyway, I also have this smaller aircraft model which I bought in 2014, I think. Yeah, 2014 or 2015. And this one is also made out of metal. I got this one for cheap very cheap, around 70,000 IDR, or today's money is around $5. And this one has not suffered any damage to its surface or its surfaces. You see, it is free of splotches. So, the polluting of my bedroom somehow had ceased in or between 2015 to 2019 to this year. However, in the past week or so, I have been smelling smoke again. Every time I open my bedroom window, which is here, I smell quite an intense smell of smoke. I cannot ascertain where the smoke is coming from. I see no trail of smoke, but the smell is there, and I can smell it very clearly. And this has been happening basically every single day. And I open this my bedroom window at around 4:30 a.m. to 5:30 a.m. and every time I open it, the smell of smoke is there. And sometimes the smoke can also be smelled at around 6:30 a.m. in the morning, and about a third of the lower level of the house would be smelling smoke. It is that bad. So the smoke seems of heavy particle, and it has been polluting primarily my bedroom and a third of my lower level. At the house. And sometimes the smoke can also be smelled during the noon or early afternoon. It doesn't make sense for anyone to be burning trash that often in a single day, every single day for the entire week. Because I'm not living in the middle of a plantation here. I'm living in the middle of a city. So I hope the polluting of my bedroom will cease forever, because it is basically poisoning me, and it had been poisoning me for many years. And you can see the evidence to that in this tomcat, the extensive damage that it has received from presumably diesel fume. And I have 3 older die-cast aircraft that have received the exact same damage to their surfaces. These aren't caused by high level of humidity, nor were they caused by water sprinkle or water drops. You see, it's quite scary. If they did this much damage to some metal, you could imagine what kind of damage the diesel fume has been dealing or doing to my lungs. Anyway, I'm pretty happy with my easy model Tomcat, and it even has a pitot tube which is used to measure the airspeed of the aircraft, while the Dragon Wings model doesn't have any pitot tube model. It's a very cool aircraft, and I don't play with this model, and I don't mind they don't have a stand that comes with them, since I intend to display them with their landing gear down anyway, and not oddly in some mid-air position with a stand, because I think they look way more natural with their landing gear down and way more realistic, I think. Okay, anyway, that's all I wanted to share with you. Thank you for listening.